There's a bomb on the milk float!
A bomb? Right. Who's that for?
No, you're not supposed to deliver to anyone. It's going to go off and kill you. Pat Mustard put it there because I got him sacked. When you go under 4 miles an hour, it'll go off. The bomb will go off. Have you got that?
Oh, God, help! I don't want to be a hitman anymore.
You'll be safe as long as you don't slow down.
Oh, Ted, look! It's a big bunch of boxes in the middle of the road!
Just stay over 4. Go, go, go!
You not heard? It was my understanding that everyone had heard. Oh, well, a bird, bird, bird. A bird's a word, well, a bird, bird, bird. A bird's a word, well, a bird, bird, bird. A bird's a word, well, a bird, bird, bird. A bird's a word, Brian, don't you know about the bird? Well, Peter's gonna tell you about the bird. Well, a bird, bird. A bird's a word, well, a bird.